Okay, so this is typical. This is what this McDonald's walk-in looks like. They're actually taking things in the right order from there. We're looking good so far, even though this should be closed. This should be closed. Look at this. We've got eggs right next to beef. That's beef in there. You got bags of orange juice right there. Down here on the floor. Look at it. Look at it. Look. This is just a walk-in cooler. I don't even know what that is. So yeah. These are supposed to be frozen. There's your apple slices. Look, they actually have to write notes because they won't take them in the right order. And this box right here is January 28 or 29. This here is February 25th. So I end up having to do that because even when I write that on the box and put 15 of those used first stickers, these that nobody ever really fucking uses. Look, you know, none of these boxes are even supposed to be open. They're all supposed to be cross-topped. That should be a use first because that's August 22. That one back there is August 26. So guaranteed somebody reaches right over that and grabs that at some point because they don't want to lean all the way down. Yeah, it looks like somebody already helped themselves to one there. Now watch, I'll put that on there, even though that's really good camouflage. They probably will not see it. And that's it. I don't even want to show you any other area. Look, how long do you think it's been since that's been cleaned? I'm too embarrassed to even go any further. Anyhow, this is what it looks like at this one. Hopefully, if you work for McDonald's, yours looks much better than this. What a mess.